Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So first, let's go over the project that we gave you. So you can just share your screen and show like what you're able to do. For the,
Okay, sir.
yeah.
I'm coming, sir.
Yeah. No problem. Okay, while you're doing that, let me
So,
just quickly. Well, we are meant to even pray before we start there. So let me just pray before we start. Lord Jesus, we thank you for the grace to come together. We thank you, Lord, for all you've done for us. All glory be unto your name. We pray even as we study, please teach us by yourself, grant unto us understanding. And for those that
amen.
are coming on their way, bring them, O Lord, by your power in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen, sir. Amen. So I have a question.
Okay.
Um, the project is on my own laptop, and we're having the meeting through my own phone. So can I send the picture to you later after the meeting?
Okay. Okay, there's no way of connecting to that laptop. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let's just go straight to what we have today. Um, yeah, last time, yeah, we're also meant to know how to connect to, I mean, GitHub, like set up our GitHub profiles. Yes, because it's very important. Like that's where you'll be hosting your projects, like any project that you have, you host
Yes,
it on
sir.
GitHub, yeah, so that it will like change to a link that people can click and see what you have done. Yes.
Okay, sir.
So I'll just share my screen and put you to how to set up your GitHub.
Okay, sir.
Okay, or what happens is that you share your, oh, you can't share your screen. I would have loved to do it with you because I already have a GitHub profile. So I can't create another one, but you, since you don't have one yet. On your phone, is there any way of sharing your screen on your phone? I think you can also set up one with your phone. I don't know.
Let me. Yeah.
That's why we always recommend using a laptop for this because you cannot code without a laptop. It's not really possible. How will you practice? Even on the live session to live class, you are meant to be practicing. Like as I'm demonstrating, you are meant to be practicing to on your own end. So that's why it's important. So,
Mm. So I can't set option saying share screen here.
Okay, there's no option to share screen there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let me try and see if I'll be able to demonstrate. Let me just see.
I'll just follow up.
What is it?
I shall just follow up. I have my laptop here with me.
Okay, yeah. So you can do that. So first of all, you just go to github.com.
Yes, sir.
Github.com. Yes. So when you click that, it will take you to, oh, okay, you see why I'm saying that I already have a profile, that's why. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, let's do GitHub. Okay, yes, so GitHub, yeah. So if you search for GitHub, it will also take you to if you want to log in, if you want to sign up with GitHub. So you can add GitHub sign up so that it can just take you directly to where, yeah. So join
Okay,
yeah. So you see this join GitHub stuff. Yes. So if you
okay,
already
sir.
have an account, you sign in. But if you want to join, you just join. Join GitHub.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's still taking me here. Mhm.
Sir,
Yeah.
can it also be done using a phone, like the registration?
Yeah, you can register with a phone. Yeah, yeah. You can register.
Okay, sir.
So basically, it's not a difficult thing like to register. It's the same way you register for any maybe your Facebook, Instagram. So just sign up with it or join. Then
Okay,
follow the
sir.
instruction. You fill in your details, give it a password, and all those things. Then you can start off with it. But the major thing is pushing your code to GitHub, which we will look at later as we go on, like how to push your code. That is the
Yes, sir.
code item to GitHub. Okay, so quickly let's just go. I think the is recorded, so whoever is not able to meet up, will just. I mean, they will be able to see the video online. Yeah. So okay, so let's go to the folder that we had. Yeah, the food. So we'll continue with the building of our food website. So you can just open it on your Visual Studio.
Okay, sir.
So now you understand the padding stuff and all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So okay. So let me open it up. So you just right click. They're open with live server.
Yes, sir.
So it's open on the browser. All that you've done. So I'm waiting for it to open up. I think it's still loading here. Yeah. So it's not come up now. Okay, why the thing so as not to waste time? Why is loading up on live server? So last class we just looked basically at how to set up our HTML structure.
Yes, sir.
Then divided it into different sections and divs. Yes. Then we also went to styling, to how to style it. So we'll continue from where we stopped. We stopped at the logo aspect of it. Yeah. So we're on the header now. If you look at the HTML, you see section ID header. That's what houses.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's what houses. It has opened now. Yeah. So we're on this header part, foot. So this foot looks small, so we can increase the size of the font size of the foot so it can be bigger. But to do that, we'll go to the logo text because we gave foot here. The class of foot is logo text. Yeah, so we'll go to the CSS and see dot logo text font size, font size, font size of. Okay, for font size you can use pixels for now. You can start with
Okay.
pixels for now. So let's say 15, 10 pixels first. 10 pixels. Okay, it's too small. So you just keep on adjusting to your taste. So let's do 30. So that is too big. Okay. So I think 20 fits right. Yes. Then it's too much, a little, it's not at the center. So let's reduce the margin top a bit, maybe to 7 or 8. Yeah, so it's at the center. Yes, so we've done the logo part. So now in websites, you usually see something like home, about,
Yes, sir.
yeah, contact us stuff.
Purpose.
Yes, contact us. Yeah. So we'll just add those and blog. So we'll just add those 4 in our HTML. So after the section that contains logo, below it is here.
Yes, sir.
You add another div, yes. I don't know if more people have joined us. Have more people joined us?
Let me check, sir. No, sir. I think we're still the only one.
Okay. 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 So the class will be named links because we're dealing with links of things. You can name it links. We can say in your what maybe your study you have seen something like LI
Yes,
list.
sir.
Yeah, these are list items. So we have on ordered lists and ordered lists. On ordered lists means that it won't be in any particular order. That means nothing like alphabetical order, numerical order, all those things. It doesn't obey those. But for ordered list, it obeys a particular order. So yeah, since we don't need any order, we'll just use unordered list for our home. We'll do home, just replicate it 4 times, then change what's inside home, about us. Because we're looking at it like a company that sort of maybe sells food. It's a food app. So let's say they sell food, they'll tell you the nutritional content and the price of each food. Yeah. So home, about us, contact us in case you want to contact the company. Contact us. Then blog. So this would be like a blog of let's say they produce articles that can help people on the importance of taking food to keep you healthy and all those things like so blogs. Yes. So links, yeah. So we'll target links now in the link under links now. Since this is a class of links, we'll go to the style and put dot links there. So if you check the site now, it will look fine. It looks somehow like this: home, about us, contact us, blog. So we want to make it horizontal, it's vertical. We want to make it horizontal. Yes. So, and also it's under this foot. Also, it's meant to be side by side with the foot because it's on the header part of the page. Yes. So, yeah. So we'll go back to the code now. First of all, we'll make the links horizontal. So how do we make it horizontal? Let me see if you can remember. Yeah. Hello?
So I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. How do you make it horizontal? Can you remember how to make all these things horizontal? That is the links here.
Okay.
Yeah, with the display.
Yes, sir. We have the display flex.
Yes, yeah. So
We
to
have
make it
the line.
yes. So to make it horizontal is display flex that we use. So display flex by default is horizontal. Yes.
Okay, sir.
But if something is horizontal, you want to make it vertical, you now have
Yes,
to
sir.
do flex direction, column or row. So row means horizontal, column means vertical. Yeah.
Okay,
But
sir.
here we don't need that column because it's already in column. So you can just say display flex and it automatically change it to be horizontal. Okay, sorry, yeah. We didn't link it well. So we only targeted the container, that is this div class links, but we didn't target what is inside LI. That is the list items, yes. So I meant to target that, the list items. Let's see if it will work directly without any issues. Okay, so that means what we will do now is that we can remove this. I don't think we need this on other list. Since it's not following any particular order, let's just keep it out. Yeah. So make sure your code is neat. Like it must be line. Like if you look at the Visual Studio, it has all these lines that is guiding you.
Yes, sir.
So what is inside a part, like this div links now, what is inside starts at the next available line. Like this body now, this section starts at this next line. This div that is inside starts at the next line. So the same way, just
Yes,
follow
sir.
that line convention to make it neat. Yes, so we can just do it like this. I think it should work now since that one is out. So let's do flex direction rule. Mm. Okay, so for the logo itself, that is the header container. Let's give it display flex so that everything inside it will be side by side. That is this idea of header. ID of header, that is hash header. So let's give display of flex. Display flex. Okay, so those two are side by side. So for these links, now we want them to be side by side. Dot links li. Okay, let's put that on other lists back, then give that one a class. Details, we can call that details, class of details. So it ought to lie side by side. I don't really know why it's not. Okay, so what you can do is just to give it separate divs so it doesn't disturb us. We'll just give
Yes,
them,
sir.
yes, we'll just give them divs. We'll just change this li to div, 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 div. Yes, so we'll just do links, links. Display flex. Exactly. This is what I wanted to happen that time. Display flex. So we have put it horizontally now. So we'll give some gap between them. So that's gap, let's say 10, 15 pixels. That is to give spacing between them. Yeah, you can see there's some space between them now. You can increase it to like every 30 pixels. It's still too small, like 50. Okay. So we can bring it down so that it can be the same level as, so that will be, as we said in the video for margin, we're bringing it down. So the margin has to push it down. So how many pixels will we push it down for? So that this will come to the level of this foot. So that will be maybe about, let's try 50 pixels, margin top. Since it's at the top, so it will be margin,
Yes.
yeah, margin top, 50 pixels.
15.
Yeah, 50, yeah. Yeah, so we're almost there. So it's almost at full, just a little more. So let's say 55. Oh no, that is too much.
52.
52, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we now do margin left to push it to the, we are pushing it, we want it to be around the center of this page. So we'll do like
Yes,
a
sir.
margin, yeah, margin left. Margin left. So let's say that would be like, let's do 50 pixels first. Okay, it's too small. So let's increase it very well, like 150 pixels. Still too small. So let's make it 350. It's too much. So let's say 300,
270.
no, 300 or so. It was too much. So let's bring it back. I think that's okay. It's at the center now also. So we can just say bold. Let's make it bold. So font width. So let's say 600. Yes. So let's make it bold like that. So it's okay like this. Okay. So it's 1 out of 10 in 10 minutes. So I think after this, we will use the same link to continue. Let's try and see if it will work. Yes. By using this same meeting link. Yeah. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll use the same meeting link when we finish to see if it will work. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now to change the, let's see if we can change this font, because this font is looking, it's not looking too fine. So Google font. We just go to Google, you search for Google fonts. Google fonts, you click on it and they will show you different kinds of fonts that you can use, beautiful fonts that you can use to make your site look more attractive. Yes. So for this one, the foot text here,
Yes, sir.
let's make it final. Let's make use this. There's this lobster text that they have, lobster. So if you check for you see here, you can see our file
Yes,
name.
sir. Yes, sir.
So click on the lobster. Then yeah. Yeah, so you can now click on you can remove all first here at the right. So it won't go use something that I've used before. Let it be new. Then just pick one of them. I think this is the only size here. Yes, regular 400. So you can just add it. Yeah. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you use it in HTML or in CSS. I prefer using the CSS one. It's easier. You just copy this style here. That is this style. Everything under the
Yes, sir.
style, not with the
Yes,
tag,
sir.
on inside of it. Then you go to the top of your CSS file here at the top.
Yes, sir.
Then paste that there.
Okay, sir.
So after you have pasted that one, then you
Yes, sir.
copy the font family. Just copy everything here, guys, under the families. Then go to your code. Then wherever you need it, that's where you paste it, not just anywhere. So we need it
Okay, sir.
at the logo text side. So paste it on that text. Yes, we want to use it only for that text there. So yeah, so we should see it here. So you can
Wow.
see that's applied.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we increase the size. Now that size, the font size is too small. So let's make it like 30. Yeah, exactly. So we'll push it up a bit.
Yes, sir.
Margin top. Let's reduce it to 5. Let's see. I think we can leave it like this, right?
Yes, I think it's okay like this.
Yeah, it's okay like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For this image, you can to make it look more like a logo, you can adjust the make it round. So for the
Okay, sir.
logo image, we'll just do what they call it, border
But
radius. Yeah,
yes,
border
sir.
radius. Yes. So let's
Template,
make it
sir.
50%. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Yeah. So so after that, we reduce the width of it. It's looking too fat. So reduce the width to 4. Okay, 40 is
Sir,
too much.
sir,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Okay.
Let's say we have unstable internet connection and we want to change the like the fonts of the fruits, like the one you change there.
Yeah.
Because during the research assignment you gave us, I saw
Yeah.
this font family, this Times New Roman, and
Yeah.
like I saw it under the. So can we use that one instead of this one?
Okay, in the Visual Studio, right?
Yes.
Yeah. There are some options that will come out. Yes. Yeah. Like if I
Okay,
type
sir.
font family, yeah, they will bring out many. Yeah, you can use anyone. Yeah. But
Okay,
this
sir.
one, you won't find this lobster there. Yes, it's finer, yeah, than those ones. Yeah. So if
Okay,
you
sir.
want more, what do you call it, many options to pick from, you can use Google Fonts. Yes.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So let's change this home about us one um, to a better font. Let's say, let me see the ones that they have here. Okay, let's do this Roboto. So don't forget to remove all the ones that are available first.
Okay.
Roboto, yeah. So you can pick this 400.
Okay.
So the same thing, you go to import, then
Copy.
copy what's under, then you paste it under the other one that
Paste
you
it.
put before. That is under this one there. Then you also copy the family. Then you paste it under links because it's in the links that we need now. So okay, so what we can do now, since we need only this one, especially for the logo text, we can put the other ones under the wrapper, that is the body of it. Yes. So another thing you can do, you just put it under body to be on the safe side. Like you if you check documentation, sometimes you see this body stuff like this. Yeah. So you can put that one under body. So that means it will affect the whole page. Everything in the page will change to this text. So you don't need to be pasting under whatever. Automatically it will affect everything. Yeah. So you can see it has changed this now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see these their fonts are finer than the usual one that you just see everywhere. So let's move everything in this logo up a bit. That is this fruit logo. Let's move down up a bit. I think this meeting will soon end up. Yeah. So okay, let's wait. When it ends, we'll join the same with the same link that we posted. Yeah, so the foot will take it up again. That is everything on that logo. That is margin top. We reduce it 30. So let's make it. So you can mute yourself.
Is it a bit of?
Yes, noisy.
15.
You can mute your mic. Okay. So the image will just increase the width a bit because it has affected that. Okay. It's in that position. So we'll now take these links up.